Ladies, get ready, because today we're stepping into the world of hair transformations, where every cut, every curl, and every strand tells a new story. Hair isn't just hair. It's self-expression, it's confidence, it's reinvention. And in the next few minutes, you'll witness styles that can completely change not only the way you look, but the way you feel. Let's dive right in. Have you ever noticed how a simple change in hairstyle can instantly lift your mood? Whether it's a dramatic haircut, fresh layers, a bold new color, or even just styling your hair differently, it's like pressing the reset button on your entire vibe. Hair has the power to transform us, and today we're exploring inspiring hair transformations and trending hairstyles for women that you'll fall in love with. We begin with one of the most dramatic transformations, the long to short chop. For years, long hair has been a symbol of femininity, but cutting it short can feel like pure liberation. Watch how those heavy locks fall, making way for a chic, confident bob. The instant short bob frames the face, highlights cheekbones, and gives a modern, youthful edge. It's bold, it's fresh, and it tells the world, I'm not afraid of change. And the best part, shorter styles often require less maintenance, perfect for busy mornings while still looking effortlessly stylish. Next up, we're turning straight hair into soft, beachy waves. This transformation is all about texture and movement. Flat hair instantly comes alive when you add gentle curls or waves. It adds dimension, volume, and that effortless, I just walked off the beach glow. Wavy hairstyles are versatile. They can be casual and playful for the daytime, or elegant and romantic for a night out. Notice how just adding texture makes the entire face look more radiant and youthful. It's proof that sometimes a simple curling wand is all you need to transform your look. Now, let's talk about hair color. Sometimes transformation doesn't mean cutting hair at all. It means adding depth, shine, and personality with color. A fresh balayage, soft highlights, or even a bold all-over shade can redefine your style. Brunettes adding caramel tones, blondes refreshing with icy or golden hues, or red tones bringing fiery energy, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty. Color isn't just fashion, it's art. It frames your face differently, brightens your complexion, and tells a story about your personality. Sometimes going darker makes you look more mysterious. Going lighter makes you look radiant and sun-kissed. And bold shades like pinks, purples, or blues make you unforgettable. Layers add movement, volume, and lightness to heavy hair. They frame the face beautifully, making hair look bouncy and full of life. This cut works on all lengths, whether short, medium, or long. And here's the magic. Layers are not just about looks. They make styling easier. Curl them, straighten them, or leave them natural, layers create effortless flow, turning everyday hair into something runway-ready. Sometimes transformation isn't about adding volume, but about going sleek, polished, and powerful. The straight and glossy look never goes out of style. It's smooth, elegant, and screams confidence. A middle part with silky straight hair gives off sophistication, while a side part adds drama and softness.